Today is gonna be a great day. Great. One of the best days anybody's ever seen. Today my life will change forever. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Oh, it's finally here. Side note, if anybody is or knows of a barber with a full hazmat suit, send them to me. This is ridiculous. This is definitely not a sex machine or a sex robot. But one day, oh yeah. The TeamGee H20T electric skateboard. Let me just preface this by saying I know absolutely nothing about electric skateboards. So if you're looking for some sort of a professional review by somebody who knows what they're talking about, it ain't this guy. I rode a boosted board once for about 2 minutes. Scared the shit out of me. Small wheels, cracks in the road. I'm an idiot. I will die. That's not for me. Then I found this with slightly larger wheels that are made of rubber. So I thought, that's for me. Let's open this puppy up. Ooh, damn, that deck looks nice. Get out! They also included some slightly smaller wheels. They're nice. And you've got an Allen key, another Allen key with a screwdriver. And this is obviously a T thing. We have got manual, charger, a remote, woo, powers up, and the remote charger. Feels pretty heavy, I'd say. Come on, do it now! Get rid of this. Hell yeah! Sexy. And look at that. That looks sweet. Grip tape feels grippy. Wheels feel really wheelie. As much as I would love to take you all along on a first ride, I won't do that. I've never really been on one of these before. I probably will fall off. I'll die. I'm dead. And I don't want to damage my beautiful camera. Is that what you want? But I just might shoot a few scenes on my cell phone. See what happens. Could break that instead. It's a year old. F that thing. It's dirty. First thoughts. It's been a few days now, and I have to say I'm absolutely in love with this thing. It's phenomenal. It's fast, It's stable, it has amazing range. Now on the website it says that it can do 25 kilometers. I haven't done 25 kilometers, not on a single charge anyways. What I can tell you is that the other day I did 19 kilometers and I still had battery left. Pretty damn good. I have done 60 kilometers so far. I haven't had to walk anywhere in days. This thing has 4 braking modes and 4 speed modes. It is super fast. I haven't reached the top speed yet because I'm a bit of a P word, but I've done 35 kilometers an hour, which is plenty fast. I'm incredibly happy with this purchase, especially during these times of isolation. I'm good. I'm good. I know what that little voice inside your head is saying right now.
But Rob, you cannot develop an opinion. You have nothing to compare this to.
Si, senor. You are correct. So if your name happens to be One Wheel, or Backfire, or Boosted, or Evolve, send me aboard! Until then, you'll just have to take my word for it.